my name is Duff. I'm the production manager here at E.C.D in Kissimmee. Today I'd like to go over the installation of panoramic glass in the roof of a 110 Defender. So the technician will lay out the panoramics into the roof without interfering with any structure. At that point, he'll go ahead and cut the structure, treat the metal, and prepare to install the tracking that the window sits in. The technician will install the roof panel. Then he will go up top and clean the area and apply a primer with window weld and install the track. Once that's clamped in place and dry, the technician will then apply primer to the track, install more window weld, and set the glass in place. The technician will water test the vehicle to make sure there are no leaks. Once the technician water tests the vehicle and makes sure there's no leaks, the upholstery team will modify the headliners. Those headliners will be installed and a beauty ring will be applied to the inside, providing great, outstanding look that our customers expect from E.C.D.